Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your really interesting facts with us. And of course, we're talking about lot many influences here, and also about men's health and well-being, which is one of the most common things. And for that, we have Dr. Rajendra Patil here with us.
Good afternoon, all of you. And I would like to congratulate all legends who are here from medical fraternity. So today I'm focused on common issue of baldness. Do you really think it is common? Because nowadays we can see it is common complaint. Have you seen any patient, means we can see here, many people who are having normal alopecia. Alopecia is the common cause of hair loss. So in that condition, there is two type of patterns. One is male pattern baldness and another is female pattern baldness. It is only because of androgens. Means everyone has androgens. The thing is androgen is responsible for hair growth also, and androgen is responsible for hair loss also. But some people having genetic predisposition, only because of genetic predisposition, they are not able to diagnose the thing, because 58% people having alopecia start from at the age of 30. So if you come to know my hair fall is starting, so we should focus on that thing. If person can come early, so we can treat it with medication only. There is no requirement of hair transplant treatment. So in that case, androgenic alopecia, if you have a normal complaints like receding hairline, if you have thinning of hair, and if you have continuous hair fall, so in that case, you should go to trichologist, you should go to your dermatologist, and just tell them ki what is this. Means if someone is coming earlier, so we can prevent it. Now we can see in androgenic alopecia, there are good line of management. Finasteride is the drug of choice, which is US FDA approved. With that, with the help of finasteride, we can control our baldness. So baldness, we can stop earlier if you are coming earlier. Yesterday, one 58-year-old patient came to me, and he is asking me, sir, I am having baldness. So in that case, we won't able to do anything. But only because of advancement of sciences, there is the condition which name is, means in management part, I told him to do PRP. PRP is the unique condition, means this is we can say nowadays it is a wonderful treatment where we can regrow your hair with the help of PRP. So if we do PRP in early stage, so we can restore our hair fall. So if you people having patient like who are coming in early stage, so we can tell them go to dermatologist and just see your problems. So respected doctors, today I would like to introduce myself. I am Dr. Rajendra Patil. We have a Dermatrix Skin and Hair Clinic. We have team of doctors. We based on Thane. We have 4 branches around Pan India. So if you want to, I want to explore myself here, and the thing is, I need your guidance for the same things, and I would like to thank Cyber Media who giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Thank you, Cyber Media.
Our next category of most promising hair transplant and skin clinic in Thane, and the award goes to Dermatrix Encoding the Body Matrix. And can we please welcome Dr. Rajendra Patil, Managing Director of Dermatrix, on stage to receive the honor.